These are the elevators here at the Hyatt Riverwalk San Antonio Hotel.
Over the years ago, son, your mother and I on this guy went to prom upstairs.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Going up. Wow, these elevators got modernized. These elevators were all modernized.
Floor 2, going up.
They entirely renovated this whole town, this whole hotel.
When was the last time you were here?
The last time I was here was, I think, 2015.
Yeah. 4 years ago.
So you really remember well.
Floor is going up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's good, sir.
Mm-hmm.
You have to go, how far did you, all the way to the top?
Yep, we were allowed up here.
All right, maxed out.
Here we are at 11.
Floor 11, going down.
Let's go down to the lobby level.
Wow. Beautiful.
I'm gonna watch the numbers going down. Actually, get a class plus window, plus indicator view. Stopping at the hill country level.
Hill country level, going down.
Going down to lobby, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Just take the stairs.
These used to be Dovler elevators, modernized by Schindler and now
Thank
they're
you.
Schindler. Now let's